We hear from one of the top names in additive manufacturing, an update on the Shell cracker plant, and the owner of the Southern Park Mall may file for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. Those stories on today's Daily Buzz. Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily Buzz. I'm Mike Moliterno. With the Mahoning Valley becoming known around the world as a hub for additive manufacturing, one of the industry's biggest names is here to talk about where the industry is now and where he sees it going. Slade Gardner, president and founder of Big Metal Additive in Colorado, was the keynote speaker at this morning's annual meeting of the Youngstown Warren Regional Chamber held at the Eastwood Event Center in Niles. Gardner's company has produced satellite components, a 21-foot diameter unmanned underwater vehicle, and a 50-foot ocean-capable cargo transport.
There's a brand new concept in urban mobility called an air taxi. And people are exploring not only what is it, but how is it used and how do people need to use it. It's a brand new concept, so we don't have answers to these questions, but we're exploring what an air taxi might look like. And so it's exciting from a design and configuration perspective, and it's going to be exciting from a manufacturing perspective.
Gardner said additive manufacturing involves every discipline, and workers of all types and educational backgrounds are needed for the growing industry.
Engineering software companies are bringing new design and analysis capabilities that's allowing engineers and designers to explore all new functionality that sometimes can only be created with additive manufacturing.
Check back to businessjournaldaily.com for more news from today's annual meeting. The Shell cracker plant in Monaca, Pennsylvania is 70% complete and is on track to begin operations in 2022. Shell spokesman Curtis Smith confirmed the news Tuesday. The $6 billion petrochemical complex is one of the largest construction sites in North America with some 7,000 workers. Work on the project began in 2017. Washington Prime Group, the owner of the Southern Park Mall, says it may need to reorganize under Chapter 11 bankruptcy as it is set to default on a $23.3 million interest payment. During its fourth quarter earnings report, Washington Prime said it lost $111 million in the fourth quarter and that, quote, there exists substantial doubt about the company's ability to continue. The company also said it has entered into forbearance agreements with its creditors that expire March 31st, giving it more time to restructure its capital structure. The owner of the Yosteria restaurant in Cornersburg is going back to his roots with a new restaurant in the Smokey Hollow neighborhood in Youngstown. Alex Zordick opened Yosteria last summer and is now looking to open his second location on the property next to where his great-grandmother was born. If the proposal is approved by Youngstown City Council, Zordick says work will begin immediately and the new restaurant would be open before the end of the year. And that is going to do it for today's Daily Buzz. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave us a comment. If you'd like to dive deeper into any of these stories, links are available in the description. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Mike Moliterno.
717 Credit Union. Business services designed to meet your daily needs. Commercial loans, business deposits, merchant and payroll services. 717 Credit Union. It's knowing you were treated right every time.
Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell for notifications. And also make sure to connect with us on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. For all of your business news, visit businessjournaldaily.com. For all of your arts and entertainment news, go to afterhoursyoungstown.com.